Hello children, let's do an interesting poem, Friends Forever. Let's get started. Make new friends but keep the old. One is silver and the other gold. Now let's understand these 4 lines of the poem. Children, now you are in second standard, right? Next year you will be in third. So you get to see new faces every year in the class and you naturally make new friends, isn't it? But children, you should not forget your old friends. Why? Because one is silver and the other gold. Now here the names of two shining metals are written, that is gold and silver. सिल्वर को हम हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? चांदी. और गोल्ड को सोना. तो अगर हमारे न्यू फ्रेंड्स चांदी हैं तो हमारे पुराने फ्रेंड्स भी कुछ कम नहीं, वो सोना है. दैट इज दे आर मोर वैल्यूएबल एंड प्रेशियस इन आवर लाइफ. अंडरस्टैंड? लेट्स गो फर्दर. A circle is round, it has no end. That's how long I will be your friend. Now here it says, as the circle is round and it has no end, right? Similarly, our friendship will also have no end. That means it will last forever. Now next, across the land, across the sea, friends forever we'll always be. Now here you can see one friend sitting under the tree and writing a letter, and to the other side you can see the other friend is very far away from him. She is abroad to a foreign nation. Though they are away from each other, their friendships last forever. So you see children, as you grow up, you may go to far off places for further education or for your new jobs, isn't it? You may be out of a town, you may go abroad. All your friends will get scattered here and there. But will you forget your friends then? No, you should never forget your friends, because a true friendship needs to be preserved and nurtured throughout the life. This is all what is said in the poem Friends Forever. Now here children, you will have to memorize the poem. To memorize the poem easily, let's say it in rhythm. Make new friends but keep the old. One is silver and the other gold. Make new friends but keep the old. One is silver and the other gold. A circle is round, it has no end. That's how long I will be your friend. A circle is round, it has no end. That's how long I will be your friend. Across the land, across the sea, friends forever we'll always be. Across the land, across the sea, friends forever we'll always be. Next children, find and write the rhyming words from the poem. The first one is old. What is the rhyming word for old? Gold. G-O-L-D, gold. Next is sea. The rhyming word for sea is bee. Next is end. The rhyming word for end is friend. F-R-I-E-N-D, friend. Below are the new words given. Let's read the words. Friends, silver, land, forever, gold, circle, round and across. Learn the spellings of these words. There is an assignment given for you. How many friends do you have? Tell 5 to 6 sentences about your friend. So you may write how many friends you have. You can write the names of your friends and then write 5 to 6 sentences on your best friend. That's all for today, class. But do remember to like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on all the latest videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.